You are going to love the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.